I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make slime. So here's how it's going to turn out. Nothing on you. So the first thing you will be needing to make it is clear glue. You can also use this white glue, but I used it all, as you can see. If you want your slime to be stretchy, you must use clear glue. So I wanted mine to be stretchy, so I use a clear glue. With the white glue, it will not make it stretchy. So what else you will be needing is a little bit of Tide. This is the kind of Tide I'm using. You should mainly use this Tide. You should follow my directions too. So first thing you're going to start by putting your clear glue inside. I'm not going to use a lot of it to put inside. Then you may get your cap and fill it up with some Tide. This is already filled up with Tide. This is how much glue I did. How much glue you put, how much slime you will have. Because glue is the main one. That's why you add the main ingredient first. Then I put in the Tide and I'm going to mix. And when it makes slime. As you can see, it made slime. So yeah, we just keep on mixing it. Get the cap up. I know this is a really big cap when I'm using to make it, but yeah. So, doing it, it's like making slime. And then you may touch it, and if it's still a little sticky like that, just keep on mixing. And you may add a little more glue into it to make it like my other slime. Just the same made. A piece broke. No. No, a piece of the plastic broke. So the plastic stick. You may put that on the side. By the way, you can use anything. You do not have to use a fork like I did. You can use anything to make this. You can use a bowl. Anything you guys want to use. It does not matter to me. You may add a little more of Tide into it. What I'm doing right now. It's just very slow to come out. So, as you can see, it's turning out like that. I want it to be just the same. Then you may add some more of this. Of glue. Add some more glue. So as you can see, it's actually turning that way. But if I failed this time, if you guys do it, this is how it's supposed to look. Like stretch it out and see if it's like stretchy, just like mine. Cause see, this is stretchy slime. I'm not sure if I'm failing on this right now, but seriously, failing. Don't fail on me, slime. Just don't fail on me. So I'm going to set this in the fridge for like an hour, and I will come back. After an hour, it will turn out like this. I don't know if this is still going to fail on me, but and it did. You comment down below if it works for you, but mine, of course, did not work. I'm disappointed. It's supposed to turn out just like this. Yeah. Leave my slime alone. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below and bye. Toodaloo. Dun, 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 dun.